This video will guide you through reviewing a convertible note agreement. Convertible Note Agreement Review is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform, since both investors and companies want to understand the terms before signing. If you have received a convertible note and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a convertible note, key terms to find and understand in your document, cost to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for convertible notes. Convertible note agreements are legally binding documents that outline the terms and conditions of a loan that can be converted into equity. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Conversion terms ensure the agreement clearly outlines the conditions under which the note will convert into equity, including the conversion price, conversion rate, and any applicable discounts. Maturity date. Understand the maturity date of the note, which is the date by which the loan must be repaid or converted into equity. Interest rate. Review the interest rate being charged on the note and how interest will be accrued and paid. Valuation cap. Check if there is a valuation cap, which limits the maximum valuation at which the note can convert into equity, benefiting the investor. Compliance with laws. Ensure the agreement complies with relevant local, state, and federal laws, including securities regulations. And consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a convertible note agreement. They can ensure the document is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have included a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Convertible note agreements contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of both the company and the investor are correctly stated. Make sure the full legal names of the entities or individuals are used. 2. Principal amount. Review the principal amount of the loan being provided, which is the total sum that the investor is lending to the company. 3. Conversion terms. Check the conditions under which the note converts into equity. This includes the conversion price, rate, and any discount provisions. 4. Interest rate. Understand the interest rate applied to the note and how interest is calculated and paid. 5. Maturity date. Review the maturity date, which is the deadline for the note to either be repaid or converted into equity. 6. Valuation cap. Look for any valuation cap that sets a maximum company valuation at which the note converts, providing protection to the investor. 7. Security interests. If applicable, check for any security interest or collateral backing the note that provides additional protection to the investor. 8. Events of default. Review the conditions under which the note can be considered in default and the remedies available to the investor. And 9. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes related to the note, such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your convertible note agreement is advisable. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review a convertible note agreement is $490 on a flat fee basis. This is based on 25 recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors: state or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also needing the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a convertible note agreement is crucial in ensuring you understand all the terms of the loan and conversion and protect your rights accordingly. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.